stick looking logo intro. We are going to use some weird technique for making this logo intro. This tutorial covers everything from animating the logo intro in After Effects to printing the animated frames using a printer. As always, we will not use any third-party plugin, but we will be using a printer. If you don't have a printer, you can get it from a friend or your school. So let's roll the intro. I have this very basic logo animation. Let me show you how I made it. This is a very basic logo animation. I have used a simple choker and CC Ball action to make this revealing logo animation. On the top of this animation, I have placed another logo layer and added 2 keyframes on the opacity to make it very easy to fade in and fade out animation. Now, one thing you may notice, I'm using an FPS composition because we're going to print all of these frames, so I'm using a lower frame rate. Side by side, we are going to make a good looking logo intro. We are not going to waste too much paper. We can print all of these frames on a single sheet of paper. I'm also using black and white color, and there's a white background. I also want to save some ink. Of course, you can use any shape, color, background, animation, and frame it you want. I'm just showing you the way. Destiny is yours. You can make this similar kind of look all inside the After Effects. But the real is real, and you won't be able to get the real look. Anyway, after making all the required logo animation in After Effects, it's time to render. But before rendering, make sure to do one more thing. And it is compulsory. Right-click on your background layer, go to the layer style, and choose Stroke. Now open this Stroke option, and first, choose the color black. Now change the size to 1, and then choose the position inside. Now, we have this teeny tiny stroke inside this frame. I will tell you later why we have made this stroke. Now, press Ctrl or Command+M on your keyboard to open the rendering option. Then, make sure to choose PNG sequence. Choose RGB plus alpha. Select your destination and hit the render. Make sure to render all of these frames to a separate folder so that you can grab them easily. Now, we need to align these frames side by side so that we can print them. Now, this is only one step that can take a lot of time. The duration of this logo animation is 2 seconds. So we have around 10 times 2, that is 20. We have to arrange 10 frames on each side of the page. Now, the printing process is complete. So let's take out your phone and start taking pictures of these frames individually. You can use any phone you want. Just make sure you should be able to transfer these pictures to your computer. Now, after taking pictures of all these frames one by one, transfer them to your computer and then import them into After Effects. Create a new composition and set your desired frame rate. Make sure to keep the lower frame rate. I'm using 8 FPS now. Then place all of these images into the timeline and make sure to keep the right sequence of the images. Now, make sure you are at the first frame. Then select all of the layers. Then press Alt or Option key on your keyboard and press the square bracket close key on your keyboard to print these layers to one frame. Now right-click on these layers, go to the keyframe assistant and select Sequence Layers. Hit OK, and now After Effects will sequence all of these layers to make a complete video. Check the animation, and this is how it looks now. You can add more effects to it, such as displacement and color. It really depends on your needs. So, this is it for today. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I will see you in the next one.